Alright guys, so now that I've covered some of the free techniques and some of the free ways that you can use to gain attention, or some of the cheaper ways to get attention to your listings and to your Amazon products and to get reviews, we're going to go over some of the paid methods you can use now and some of the launch strategies and launch services there are out there, as well as email follow-ups and email techniques to get more reviews. You can either use these email techniques on your own for free through Amazon's messaging service, or you can use these services to actually boost that as well. You can use it in conjunction with these services. So the first one we're going to take a look at is Viral Launch. Viral Launch is a very, very good service. This is what I mainly use for the launches of my product. It is quite expensive, $450 per month. It's a subscription service, and it helps, but it's just for one product, depending on what you want. Personally, I just use the Uber launch method, just per product, because I don't launch a product every single month. I want to try and do that, but it is $400. It is quite expensive, but essentially what they do is you're buying an audience again. So you give them a subscription basically, or a code for your product, and they'd blast it out to their audience and get you immediate sales for your product. And then you can essentially just contact those customers that have bought your product as you would any other customer, with email follow-ups and asking them for reviews. Obviously not in exchange for this coupon, because it is that would be against Amazon's terms of service. So you can just contact them as you would a regular customer. Another company that does this is Zonblast. Zonblast is also very, very good. I've used them once in the past. They do work just as well. So as you can see, they've sold $46.5 just about $1 million in retail value of the products that they've sold through their platform. And theirs is also a subscription service. So based on how many credits you get, that's how many launches or how many products you can sell essentially. So what happens is when you sign up for any of these services, they'll send you instructions of how their specific service works, because they are slightly different depending on which one you go for. And they'll send you an instruction manual, essentially a PDF or something like that, and they'll tell you how their service works and how you can go about integrating it into your Amazon seller account. So I'm not going to go over that because it is different for each of them. The next method is Feedback Genius. So Feedback Genius is pretty cool because they give you a free trial and you can start testing it out. Now, as far as I know, they're not a launch service. I've never used them, but I have heard great reviews of them. So Feedback Genius, you can essentially just integrate it with your Amazon seller account as well, and they'll manage automated emails for your customers after they've purchased a product. So you can essentially set it that after 1 week after they've purchased the product, you send this email. After 2 weeks, you send this email, and we'll cover those now in a couple seconds. Then the fourth is JumpSend, which is my personal favorite. They're essentially an email automation tool and a coupon distribution tool all in one, so multiple of what we've discussed. So an email automation tool, essentially, again, after every sale, they'll send out an email, as well as coupons for a launch of your product. So when you launch your product, you're going to give your items away at a heavily discounted price so you can really get your sales in, even if you break even. However, on this is using JumpSend, you're essentially going to be working on a loss strategy. So you're going to lose some money on your first units. As we always say, you're doing a giveaway at the beginning of your product launch, maybe 50 units or 100 units as a giveaway. 100 units is a bit much. I've done even 30 units in the past, and that's been more than enough to rank me up. So we are going to be losing some money on our first products, but remember, this is a lifetime product we're working on. We want this product to rank up and then be up in the ranks for our future shipments, so that we can get this product selling year-round. Alright, so as I said, JumpSend is my personal favorite. Their service is also quite effective and well priced. So as you can see here, you can start at $29 a month for 3 products. And you can sell unlimited emails, and essentially what you do is you provide them with a coupon code, and they automatically send out emails to those customers. And you can make it that they send these emails out to every single customer on your Amazon seller account. So it's not just the customers who are receiving the discount through the JumpSend platform. As you can see, if we click on the deals page, it'll show you current deals that they're running from other sellers. As you can see, 40% off, 40% off, 35% off, 56% off, 80% off. Now essentially what you do is you just buy this product through this link, and you get a coupon code to purchase this product on Amazon. And you're obviously not required to leave a review for these products, or your customers aren't required to leave reviews, as that's against Amazon services. I'll keep saying that. You should not do that. You will get your account banned if you ask for reviews that way in exchange for a discount. So another way they've got around that is they send the same emails to all your customers, including the customers that come through this deal site. And then now we're going to discuss some of the examples, essentially the template emails that you can send to your customers to follow up with. You can use these in conjunction with any of these platforms we discussed that use automatic emails, or you can personally send these emails to each of your customers as you do get their contact details, and you can contact them through your Seller Central account after they've purchased your product. So email follow-up templates. The first email we're going to go over is the email that you send immediately after they've purchased your product. So what we're going to say is, we're going to say, hello, buyer's name. You're going to put your buyer's name in here. And it's essential that you use the name of the customer that you're contacting, because people do like hearing their own name and do want to hear you contacting them directly. So thank you so much for purchasing your very own and whatever product it is that you're selling. We've had a few customers reach out to us recently regarding late delivery and damaged packaging. So I'm personally reaching out to each customer to ensure that you got your delivery all right and that you're happy with our product. Now, we're not essentially going through any of these problems. Our customers are all getting our product on time, but there's essentially just an end to get that first email out, to give us a reason to send this email to this customer. Now, you can modify this to however you like. Perhaps you can say we're reaching out to each customer to follow up regarding our own internal survey or anything like that. You can come up with your own thing. This is essentially just a layout and an example. If you did encounter any issues with the delivery of your product, please don't hesitate to contact me and directly, and I'll be sure to help out. So that means you're reaching out personally. You want this customer to not feel as if this is an automated email, even though it is. You want to feel as if you're taking the time to care for each customer that you're contacting and each customer of your product. Our small business or family business / two-man operation. So you can choose what you want to say here. You could say, I myself am the only person who's running this business, or whatever it is, whoever may be running this business. You say, operation relies heavily on Amazon to continue operating, so it's vital that our customers receive top-notch service. Therefore, you're telling your customer that you rely on Amazon. It is your full-time business. This is where you get your income. This is how you get your bread and butter. So we're essentially pleading the small business module or idea to your customer. Then kind regards, your personal name, and then your company's name, whatever it is. Then your customer might either reply to this if they did even have any issues with regards to your product. Perhaps they did have some problem with it, even though essentially we're making this up. Or if they don't reply after 1 week, then we're going to send them another email. And that email goes along the lines of, hello, buyer's name. Again, we want to address the buyer directly. You want to say their name. People love hearing their names. And when you hear your name, you're more likely to engage with whatever it is that you're doing. So we say, we appreciate your understanding regarding the issues we've been having. So I wanted to personally give you a 20% coupon code for any other product in our store, or for another, whatever your product is, to gift to one of your friends as a thank you for hanging in there. If you're interested, simply reply to this email and I'll have that sent your way. So now we're going to give them a 20% coupon code if they did like this product, and if they are happy with everything. And what this is going to do, firstly, it's going to generate more sales for us. They're more likely to buy another product. If you don't have any other products in your store, then you go ahead and say buy another one of the same product as a gift. Perhaps they bought a kitchen mug and they want to gift that same thing to their friends. So they'd go ahead and use that coupon code, get a discount, and buy it for their friend. So it's giving them an incentive to go back to your store. Then this is what we do full time, and product reviews help us as a seller out as much as customers when looking to buy new products on Amazon. So again, we're enforcing the fact that we rely on Amazon to run our business. It is our full-time income. And now this is the first time we're going to be asking for a review on our product. Again, we're not asking for a review in exchange for this coupon code. If they request this coupon code and they don't give you a review, you still give them the coupon code. We're not soliciting reviews here. We're asking them to review if they have the time. So we go ahead and say, it would mean a ton to us if you took 2 minutes out of your day to leave us an honest review on our Amazon listing. And then you put the link to your product there, or to your review link to your product. You can insert images in these emails as well, just to basically remind them of what it is that you're talking about. And they might click on the link, go to the Amazon page, and leave you a review. And then again, we'd like to say, even if you don't have the time to leave us a review, we'd like to extend a big thank you for purchasing our product and exporting our small business. So even if they don't leave the review, they might contact you after this email and ask for that coupon code, give it to them, and generate it for them and give it to them. But even if they don't leave a review, you don't ask them to leave you a review in exchange for their coupon code. Then we're going to go one more email, or 2 weeks after they don't reply to that email, or after they've replied to that coupon code. If they reply to the coupon code, you give them the coupon code and then ask them for a review. But if they don't reply, 3 weeks later, we're going to send them another email, and that goes along the lines of hello, buyer's name, hello again, buyer's name. Remember the buyer's name, we're appealing directly to them and to their emotions. We want to contact this person as if they're a human being, and so are we. You've probably had the chance to try out our new, whatever your product is, by now, and we hope you're enjoying it. If you have any questions, issues, or would still like to claim that free 20% coupon for anything in our store, don't hesitate to reply to the email and I'll get that sent to you. So again, we're pushing that 20% coupon. Essentially, it's a subliminal message with regards to incentivizing a review, but we're not saying directly that we want a review in exchange for this coupon code. They say, if you are happy with everything, it would be amazing if you left us an honest review on our Amazon listing. As I've said before, Amazon customers rely so much on reviews, however, they hardly ever take the time to leave them. If you do have the time, we'd forever be grateful if you left one for us. So then, again, we're going to say, simply follow this link to our listing and leave a review there. We put the link to our product again, and we just hope that they send us a review or drop us a review. They might drop you a review without asking for the coupon code. They might ask you for the coupon code and not leave you a review. Again, do not do an exchange. And that's essentially it. Now, you can use these emails in conjunction with any of those services we've discussed before, the launch services and the email automation services, or if you don't want to spend any extra money, you can manually send these emails or this email list to every single customer of yours that has purchased your product through Amazon, or someone who's received a discount code. Maybe you've given that discount code to your family, your friends, to your Facebook groups, to your Twitter, to any social audiences you have. If you send them that link and they purchase these products, they will essentially become customers of yours, so you can contact them as a regular customer through Amazon Seller Central. And then we're going to use those emails. So that's essentially it for a way to garner more emails for your Amazon listing.